Hello, Mr. and Mr. Ryan. How are you today?
Good.
Okay. So you know how to multiply two numbers, yeah?
Yeah. Yes, easy.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How do you do it? Right?
Okay.
Okay. How do you do it?
1, 2. We do this number times.
Yeah.
And then this number times this, and then this number times this, and we put in like
One.
here, and then
Okay.
and we put a number here, and then we put
Okay.
a number here, and x.
Oh, you're so lazy. You just give me how to, just teach me how to do it, but without giving me the example. Okay. But I understand what you mean. Yeah.
Yeah.
This number, so 8. Yeah. And then what? 73. Right? And then you put this here, something, and then you add them together, right?
You're lazy as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah. Okay.
You're lazy.
Okay. So.
You're lazy. You're lazy.
Okay,
You're
so-
lazy.
So in Python, actually, if we given two strings, and then these could be, very huge, arbitrary length, right? So you can just directly, if these are given two strings, and then you can just do, convert it to, you can use it int a, and then convert the string to integer times int b, right? And then you can convert the result back to the string, right? Yeah, this will be it. But we want to understand how do we let the computer do the math, do the multiplication. Because in some other language, right? Not in Python, like in Java, in C, the integer has a fixed size. So you cannot store, for example, in C or in C++, another programming language. And if you declare int,
C
right?
plus.
Yeah, if you declare the integer a, right, it can only store a number which is 4 bytes. So this is 4 bytes, right? Okay, this has a sign, but if we're talking about a unsigned integer, which means the non-negative, it will be a belongs to to 0 and to 2 to the power of 32 to minus 1, right? Because it's 32-bit. So this is the maximum number that unsigned, okay? Unsigned 4-byte integer. Yeah? Remember what's byte? 32-bit, yeah? 4 byte, 32-bit. Byte, okay. Computer, let's review this data unit, right? What's bit?
A bit is a bit.
Bit is
From a picture thing, I think.
yeah. Well, there are only two possibilities, 0 and 1. Okay, so it's 0 or 1, right? That's bit. And next one is byte. The computer stores the unit. The basic storing data unit is byte. Is a bit. Yeah, a bit. What's a bit?
It's like
So you have a bit like 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So that's binary, okay? So if it's this 1, 1, 1, 1, what's this? Remember, this is binary. What's this?
that's
1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8, right?
yeah.
That's what? 15, right? And then 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Maximum is what?
30.
No. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32.
Plus 64 plus 128.
So if you put all those together, it's 255. Okay. So a byte is from 0 to 125. Okay. Similarly, what's the next one? KB, kilobyte. Kilobyte, yeah, is a 1024.
Here's a kilobyte.
Yeah, look, 1024 bytes. Why is it 1024? Because 1024 is 2 to the power of what? 10. Right? Yeah? Okay? And then what's next unit? 1024 kilobyte would be megabyte. 1024 kilobyte. What's next? Gigabyte. What does it equal?
That equals
1024 what? Can you guess?
1024 MB.
Megabyte. Okay. And what's next? TB equals what?
1024 GB.
And what's next? Petabyte, yeah?
Equals 1024 TB.
Okay. So this is the storing. Okay, let's see.
And then something B equals
Okay, I don't know. You need to Google it.
CD.
Okay, so why are we talking about this? So 4 by unsigned integer is 32-bit. So it represents the number from 0 to 232, 2 to the power of 32 minus 1, right? So this is a very big number, but still not very big enough, right? So, so we have to know that how we do it in, how are we helping the computers to do the math? So one easy way would be what? Let's do this example again, okay? Okay. So if they are this is the A is three digit, B is 3 digit. So what's the result? What's the maximum result? What's the length of the result? How many digits of the A times B? How many digits? If this is n, this is n.
No.
How many maximum? I mean, how many digits?
4.
4?
No, wait, no.
No? Let me do the. How many digits? I mean, just the maximum.
It looks like it might be a 3 digit.
3 digit. Yeah, if it times 1, it'll be 3 digit. But if it times this one, will be.
Oh, 4 digit. 3.
5 digit. It's 56088. Okay, 56088.
Oh man.
So what I'm saying is that if A is n digit, B is m digit, what's the maximum of the result you can get? For example, like 9.
Digit.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Okay, you times this together. Wow. 999 times 999 equals 998,001. Okay, so 6 digits. Okay, let's try another example. This is the maximum you can get, yeah? So what's it? What's
But
that?
that's a
9999. 4 digit times 3 digit. What's the maximum digit? Is not this one, is 9989001. So 7 digit. Okay, so if you like n digit of A, m digit of B, so their time together, the maximum is n plus m digit, right? Yeah, make sense? Yeah? The maximum is 9, right? You can't put more than 9, right? Yeah? Okay. So if we have this result, then let's store this result in answer, right? And answer will be the digit, yeah? Every time you have a 0, yeah? 0, 0. At the beginning is 0. So if I say I want to times this and times this, where does it put? Okay, if we do this is from right to the left. This is index 0, this is index 1. So if the index I times index j, so where are we going to put? So 2 times 6, where is it going to be?
It's gonna be.
Where is it going to be?
It's gonna be.
So is it going to be I plus j, right? If you look, yeah? Alright? Yeah? Okay? Look, let's try this again, okay? Let's try this again. Look. 6 times 2 is, this is 6 is 20, right? This is 20, so it actually is 120. Right? 120. So we're going to put 12. We want to put 12 where? We're going to put the 12 is I plus j, right? Look, because this j equals 0. Yeah, we're looking from the right to the left. 1, I equals 1, right? 0, 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So we're going to put this 120 starting at the position 1, right? I plus j. Right? So if we're going to do this, if we're going to multiply each digit, yeah, from each number, and then we can put it in corresponding position, right? Yeah? Now we can do this, right? Am I right? This is the way to do the okay. Okay, so look, Eric. These numbers are represent from the most significant to the least significant. Yeah? From the left, we call the left side is the most significant. Yeah, and the rightmost side is least significant, right? So if we can reverse the digit, right, then we can do it in using the index. Yeah. Why are we going to do this? So we make it simple, right? Look. If we reverse the A, that will be 3, 2, 1, right? Look, but it's actually 1, 2, 3. If we reverse it.
Why do you want to reverse it?
By the way, how do we reverse this? If A, I want to make it reverse, how do we reverse it?
Just reverse it.
How do we reverse it?
2 pointer.
2 pointer. Yeah, we can do pointer, or we can use the quick one, which is what?
-1.
Dash, colon -1. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so
That's
you can.
what I meant.
But you're missing this.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Then look.
Say that.
4, 5, 6. Okay, let's do it, reverse this. There'll be 6, 5, 4. So it actually is, okay. So this is representing A. This is B. This is
a
this.
big number.
This is an array, okay? And this array is represent the number in reverse order. It's 1, 2, 3 times 4, 5, 6. And then we have a result, yeah, answer. At the beginning, we have how many digits? There are 3 digits. The most will be the 6 digits. So I will put a 6 yellow here. Okay? Okay, so now, if I go from here, the I digit, yeah, the 3, I equals 3, I equals 0, right? I equals 0 for this one. And J equals, let's J start from here, yeah? J for, and go this. 3 times 6, 18, right? Yeah, and when I equals 0, J equals 0, so the result will be put in I plus J, right? Okay? So it's 0, so 18. Look, but it's 18, yeah? Ideally, we want to store only 1 digit in one place, right? So 18, let's put it 18 at here, right? Because this is 18, right? But now, we need to do what? We need to spread, yeah? We need to carry over, 18 carry over to this. So what does it become, Eric? This is 18. If a digit is 18, I don't want to store more than 10 here.
Then you need to go on the
Yeah, so what does it become?
1, 8.
No, in reverse order, so this will be 8.
8, 1.
Yeah, that's what I mean, yeah? So look, let's try another example. 3 times 5 here. So where are we going to put the result?
3 and
So let's put this 8 here, okay, 1 here. Okay, so we're going to put that 15, right?
Yes.
And the result will be in 3 I plus J, so it'll be here, right? 15 plus 1 is 16, right? Yeah? But I need to carry over, so what's that?
6, 1.
Yes, 6, 1, you see? So if we're doing this I and doing this J, we keep going, and then we can get this result, and then we just can, after all, we can just, reverse this result answer. Yeah? Make sense? Okay, let's write this to you. I think you understand, okay? And you tell me. The most important takeaway is what? If the digit from AI times BJ, we're going to put the answer. We're going to put the answer.
I plus J.
Yeah, well, I plus J. That's what I said. Yeah. And but we need to carry over to I plus J. We need to carry over to I plus J plus 1, right? Because we don't want to store a 2 digit or 3 digit. We only want to store 1 digit. Yeah, and we want to carry over to the next one, and we can reverse it. Yeah. Okay, for simplicity, we don't consider the negative numbers. Yeah, so the numbers A and B does not contain the negative, the minus sign, right? Yeah, but you can handle it. If 2 negatives multiply together, that will be positive. Yeah. If one of them is negative, the result will be what?
Negative.
Negative, yeah, exactly. So we don't handle for the simplicity, we don't handle the A and B with the negative number. Okay. Define, multiply AB. Okay. AB. Okay. And then look, N M equals length A, length B. Right? And then we want to store the answer in answer equal at the beginning it will be 0 times what? How many digits? The answer will be how many digits? We just talked about how many digits?
It will be M
plus M. Right? M plus M. Okay, now we just need to reverse. First of all, we need to reverse this A and B, right? Right? A equals A dash colon minus 1. B equals B.
colon minus 1.
Yeah, this is the simple way, Python way. Yeah. Otherwise, you have to implement a 2-pointer thing to swap. Yeah, a 2-pointer. And then now we just need to go through for I in range N, right? Then for J in range. Okay, by looking at these two falls, what's the time complexity?
Caroline Square.
Well, that's what? That's N and M. What?
Oh, and then.
Oh, N. Right now, because these two are nested for loop. For each n, for each I, you need to do j times, right? So that's I times j. So it's n times n. And are the length for the two, right? For the two numbers. By the way, the A and B are given as a string. It will be 1, 2, 3, and then B will be 4, 5, 6. And then the result, you need to give me a string, str, right? Give me a string. Now look, now I answer I plus j, right? Equals, and I want to times the n ai times bi, right? So ai is a string, right? It's a character, yeah. We want to convert it. How can we convert this 1 to 1? Easy question. This is string. This is integer. How can we do this?
Integer.
One way is to this int, yeah.
Yeah.
Or remember the odd function. Odd 1. What does it give us? What does it give us? Odd 0. Odd 0 give us 48, right? So
yeah.
Odd 1, you just need to minus 48. And that's another same thing, yeah? So here, let's just do this. AI, let's just do odd AI minus 48. And then we need to times what? Times ORD AJ minus 48, okay? So, but remember, we need to carry over, right? Carry over. Yeah?
So we plus.
Sorry? So actually, this is not equal, it's plus equal, right? Because the multiple is plus equal.
That's what I said.
Yeah. Plus equal. And then answer I plus j plus 1, right? Plus 1. Plus 1 will be what? Will be what? So the next digit will be the previous digit plus equal previous digit answer I plus j divided by 10, right? Carry over. And then we need to carry over the next one. Look, this 18, right? 18 we want to carry over to 1 and to a and 1, right? So that's two steps. First step is this digit, the I plus 1 plus j plus 1 needs to carry over plus equal this thing divided by 10. And the second step is to do this 18 and do the modulus. So I plus j modulus what? 10. Right? Got it? Yeah? What did I just say? 18.
Modulus.
Two steps. First one is to what? To carry the 1 over to the next digit. The second step is make 18 8, right? By modulus 10, right? Yeah, so this can carry over to A1, okay? Now answer will return the number. Okay? A number of these, yeah. So we want to remove the leading zeros, right? We want to remove the zeros, okay? So first of all, if I do this, dot join answer, yeah? But answer is the array of digits. We want to make this answer array of what? Array of characters. So what do we do? Wait. Okay. So array of so this is array of digits, right? Array of digits. One, for example, the result is read as 210, right?
Yes.
210. But we want to join the numbers together. So how do we join the numbers together?
Don't use this.
Yeah, no. Remember, first of all we want to make it what? Make it this one. So first of all we want to make it this. Yeah, how to convert from A to here?
String.
Yeah, but this is the array.
Join.
Before that, we need to do this map thing. Map to star. The first one is the function. The second one is the list, which is A. Yeah. Yeah. So I map this, and then I can join it, right? Yeah, and then join it. But before I mapping, I need to reverse it, right? Reverse it. Look.
Yeah, that's what I said before.
Reverse it. First of all, reverse it. Convert it each one to the string and join it, right? If I join it, and then I will have something like 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. I want to remove this leading zero, right? Yeah? Yeah, I want to remove these leading zeros. So we can use two functions to do one function, which is called airstrip. By default, airstrip is stripping left. And by default, if you don't give any parameters, it will strip the white space, right? The space, white space, yeah. So look, Eric. Anything here, I put Eric. Okay, Eric here. There's a lot of space, and I can say airstrip. You give me, you remove anything in front. You give me what? Eric, right? And then lots of space will be after it because we don't remove it yet. And we can call another one called R strip. This is to remove the space, white space at the end. So you become Eric. Okay? And then if you want to do both, you can just call what? Strip. Right? And the parameter, you can give a parameter to it. So for example, if I give a parameter 0 to it, so you will only retrieve what strip? You will only remove the zeros, leading 0 on the left side. So this one, I can remove this. Dot airstrip, yeah, airstrip.
Strip.
0, yeah.
0.
And then look, if the result, if 0 times 0, what's the outcome of 0 times 0?
0.
It will be all 0. And if I do the airstrip,
Nothing.
it will be nothing. So I have, this is a special case I have to check. If it's nothing, then I return 0, right? Otherwise, return X. Make sense? Make sense, everyone? Yeah. Okay. So what's the important thing you learned today? Come on, give me
By
one sentence.
multiplication.
How?
Yeah.
How? How do we multiply?
Reversing it and
So AI times BJ. Okay. First of all, we reverse it, and AI times DJ. Where are we going to put answer? We are going to put what? Put it at what?
I plus.
J. Okay. And then we need to carry over to the next digit.
Plus
Okay.
A plus B.
Okay. Make sense?
Mm.
Look, we are reversing the result. Oh, actually, this is answer, not the result. Okay, answer. We're reversing the result. Result is the list of digits. It's an integer, and then we convert it using the map. Convert it to list of string. When it's list of string, I can join it. I can join it as a string, and then I want to remove the leading 0. Okay, and I want to check if it's after removing the leading 0, if it is empty, it means the result is 0, right? Otherwise, we return this, right? Make sense? Yeah, make sense? Happy? Okay, you can say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.